Hi, I'm Mel and welcome back or welcome to my channel, and if you are new, please subscribe. I post on Mondays, Wednesdays and Saturdays at 6 p.m. with the occasional bonus video, and in today's video it's time for a change. I tried to get in with my hairdresser but she no longer does hairdressing, so my mum is going to cut and colour my hair. Don't hate me for cutting my hair off. I know that the poll I did on Instagram a while ago was mixed, but I've decided it's time for a change, so we're going to cut and colour my hair. It's going to be more blonder, but it is still going to be the balayage as well, and I have got quite a lot of grey hair, so we're going to cover that up too, because that is driving me up the wall when I see it in the mirror every morning or evening. So here we go, balayage in my hair. I've got a old top on, and what we're using is this Garnier Olay colour in 5, which is brown, and 8, which is blonde. And we watched a YouTube video. We know how to balayage the hair now. My mum is not a hairdresser, but she can colour it for me, so we're going to start now. Okay, so we've got about 30 minutes to go till this takes on my hair, and while we're waiting I'm going to do my eyebrows and dye them. And I'm using the Allure Dye Brow Dye Kit in dark brown. This is my mum's, I normally have my own. So I'm just going to mix this up and be back. So now these sit like this for 10 minutes and then I'll wipe them off. So it has been 10 minutes, well it's been more than 10 minutes, just about 12. And I'm going to just wipe these dark dye off my eyebrow. Like that. And the same one here. And then I'm just going to dampen a bit of tissue, literally just like a little bit, just so make sure I've got everything off needs to be off. And then I'd go in and pluck them, but I plucked them yesterday, so they're pretty good. But yeah, you can always go back with your brush. Oh my god, and get your hair dye hair in it, and then they're done. So it's all washed now. My mum don't cut hair professionally, so she don't want to film me cutting it, so we all film it after it's cut and we blow dry it basically. So it's all washed, ready to go, and we'll brush it out and cut it, and I'll be back. So we cut it and we've dried it. I still want to straighten it because it's just not straight enough for me, but we're gonna chop some layers into it now, and I want about just like a smidge off the length still, but then yeah, we'll be back afterwards and I'll probably be at home and I'll have straightened it. So I've just got home and I've just straightened my hair. So this is the finished length. Actually on camera it looks lighter than it actually is in real life, or maybe it's just me, but it's pretty much the same as it was. You can see where like the lines go up higher now, and obviously there's no more grey, which is what I wanted. And I really like the length. We cut it a bit longer than this, and then I decided that I wanted to go a bit shorter, and I like this length, but I think maybe I also could go a little bit shorter. But this is it for now. I really want a middle part in, but I'm gonna have to train my hair to do that. But yeah, this is it. What do you think? Let me know. It's still easy to put up. Halfway through, it was like 3 o'clock, so we had to rush because I still needed to do my food shop. That closed at 4. So we rushed, we did that. We did the horses and then came back and finished it off. But I can still put it up, I can still plait it, and that's really what I wanted. And before this, I probably cut off about 4 inches. It was probably down to about there, so I've cut off about 4 inches. And my mum said if I don't really like it, or if I still want to cut off more, she'll cut off more next weekend. But this is it now, and I do like the length. I'm just not sure if I want to cut it a little bit shorter still, but this length would be easy to do like the plait into like the buns at the back, which is what I would like to do. And it's going to be easy for me to maintain more, and that's what I want. So I hope you don't mind me changing, and I know a lot of you wanted me to keep my hair long, or Instagram poll wise you wanted to keep my hair long, but it was time for a change. My hair was really knotty, and because it is naturally really curly, the knots just are unruly, that I was wearing my hair up pretty much all the time. Now I can wear it down more and I have got less chance of wearing it up. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Please give it a thumbs up, comment down below what your favourite length of hair is, and please also subscribe, push that notification bell to see when I post. Thanks for watching, bye.